Good morning, everyone. Today we tackled about neuroscience and brain development, and I'm happy to share my learnings, insights, and my realization about on the topic that we discussed for today's lecture. Neuroscience, it allows scientists to research the development studies about the human brain. This neuroscience, it study how our brain nervous system develops and functions. First is the function of our amazing brain. Our brain has many functions. One of these is to receive information, utilize language in the external universe, and to process. Our brain send and receive informations or signals throughout our body. When we say acts on the external universe, it allows us to cry, to walk, to play a musical instruments, and to be happy and more. Our brain also can create emotions. For example, if your hand is stuck in the window, and then our brain will now function, and then what our brain feel or think, it will send it into our body, and that's why we create different emotions. Our functions are our functions also, such as autonomic functions, are controlled by our brain, like how we breathe, our heart rate, on to think, and controls our immune system. Based on the experiences, based on my experiences, what my mind think is that what I feel. Just like when you feel you are weak, or you feel you are in pain. All I'm doing is thinking that there is no pain in my body. I just only think that I am strong, and what my brain think, mm, that's what I feel. And that's based on my experience, that how wonderful and amazing our brain is. And the third one is our nervous system. Our nervous system composed of two major categories: the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. Nervous system has also three basic functions. The first one is to receive sensory input from the external and internal environment. Second one is to integrate the input, and the last one is to respond to stimuli. My insight for today's lecture is that by studying neuroscience and brain development, it improves our understanding how the process of our brain. It shows how our brain store and process information.